Big up my man, you know.
Where we?
Pattaya!
Hey, Boston.
Thailand!
Hey, once you're over here, you know what's going on.
Yo! Big up, yo!
Who does it belong to? Oh, wow!
How you buy him?
Find me?
Yeah, on Instagram.
Ah, PHUKET, it's my Russian surname.
Yeah.
Family name.
Keep me IB feel, we'll link up the girl thing, and we'll guess what they have to pass it.
Yeah. Yes, you get wet.
Do I look wet?
What's your name? What's your name? What's his number? Oh, message him. Boss, check it, check. Yeah.
Outside the hotel, but the car came and then so I went out.
I get rice and noodles and shrimp.
Yo, same thing that you get is just all the two of them.
See what I just had?
I'm pretty sure they are.
Can I get prawns, chicken, and you just hear this fucking Them man say you have to make sure that they're good though. See one video saying that these man will try
Charge.
they sell it like rundown ones.
100%. We want to make sure that.
How much do you want?
Eating just for looking like for next time. Street food is banging.
The little GoPro is holding up, man. I don't know how they built such a, because I can still see the quality on the screen. For them to do such a small sensor in this and make it come out to 4K, bro. Like if you think about back in the day when this shit was fucked. Oh, there's bear on the street, bro. At the moment, them man, they even want step in there, so. I was wondering if you man afraid of the sun. I said, wait, everybody just line up at the shop. Like, nah, man. So we're still on movements. I don't even know where we are currently, but hopefully I don't lose my bearings. I have to make my way back to which part them guys are. Yeah. But currently in Pattaya somewhere. Oh my God. Jesus. It's a man. Ah! Ah! Fuck's sake, man. Fuck's sake, bro. All I can say, yo, you mans, be fucking careful. Be fucking careful, man. Like, that was in real time. Yo!
Hey, รู้จักเขาเหรอ รู้จักมาแล้วนะครั
Hey!
บผมเฮ้ยรู้จักกูแน่ละแผลกูยังไม่หายเลยดูแผลกูนี่เกี่ยวกับสีเลยเฮีย
Oh, you bite him! I think you say you bit him, innit? Hey! Don't bite me now, you know? You be serious, man? Yeah? You don't bite me now, you know? You bite my man. Yeah? Just don't bite me. I love animals. I'm friendly. I'm friendly. Hey! What's his name? What's his name, boss?
Bosh.
Barge.
Yeah, Bosh.
Bosh, yeah? Yo! Thank you, yeah, boss? Thank you, you know? Hey, boy. Hey, I want you guys to come visit my man when you guys come here, yeah? When you guys come here, come visit my man. But yeah, we're just strolling, we're walking, making moves, seeing what the late night life of Pattaya is saying. A lot of beautiful ladies. A lot of beautiful ladies are around. But me saying that, be very cautious. I have nothing against lady boys. Do you, be you. Whoever is for it is for it. You know? Who likes it, likes it. You know? So, good night, good night. There's vibes out here. There's vibes out here in the city, man. Pattaya, Thailand. I will be back. This is just like the, you know what? Let me do like a little. I know I'm way off, mathematically speaking, but let's see if I can take a left through this alleyway and see what happens. Yeah. Currently, I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna be doing, because this is how the thing said. Currently, yeah. It's very difficult for me personally to be editing videos. You know, very difficult, very difficult. You know, cause I'm working now. My time is so limited. I still haven't even done my anime channel. Oh, she's gorgeous. Hey, you alright, boss? You good, yeah? She's gorgeous. Hey, damn. I don't know. I don't know. I do not know. Hey, keep it moving. Keep it stepping. Like literally, I ain't gonna be doing nothing until we come out of this alleyway. Cause right now this alleyway is looking a bit big. Yeah, I'm keeping it respectful. Ain't gonna be filming nobody because a lot of them don't like it when they get filmed. You know. And personally, I'm very respectful. If you don't want to be getting filmed, I ain't gonna be filming you. You know, and as my boy said, and this is something that we stand 10 toes on. Energy is not for sale. You know? If it's not for you, it's not for you. But this road is mad, so you know, let me spin around. All I can say, guys, get a GoPro. It makes too much sense. I'm gonna get the mic soon. Currently, the GoPro is making too much sense. It's so incognito. And I need you. And I'm out of we're walking past a lot of lady boys. Lady boys. Hey, I think the cameras are good. What do you call it? I think the GoPro is a good way. Oh my God. I don't know. I don't blood clot know. If you guys are ever in Thailand, yeah, check this place out. But this brother could have fully robbed us and he didn't. If you guys check out this place, yeah, this place is the one. Thailand, blood, Thailand. People have to pick up my man. Pattaya!
Hey, Boston! Hey, once you're over here, you know what's going on.
Yo! Pick up, yo! Yo, that was mad. Hey, what my man doing here, bro?
It's really how you feel. Say that you wanna follow.
Salon. for free, you know. More people, social media, they gonna come to you. People look here. Got it going on a lot.
Without a pin, no ID on the track, the destroy you kid. Yeah, this is anti-auto-tune, that for the ringtone. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't turn nobody, they grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come in the chain. Call me your river, keep you with the shots. Bad, bad, cooking up dope. My niggas are savage. We got the big bird.
Hey, brother! Vibes here still.
From Manchester, but
Yeah.
I don't know, man. The London motherfucker be crazy. Party with some jacked ass black dude and his girlfriend from Mexico City.
No, but we always
like
have
last
to-
week. That motherfucker was like, dude, shot this, tequila that. I'm like, I was so fucked up. I'm like, fuck you, man.
We always bring the vibes
That,
though.
oh, for sure, for
See
sure.
that? Hey,
London
hey,
motherfucker be crazy, bro.
hey. We always
But I
bring
like
the
it.
vibes. You
No
know?
doubt, no doubt.
Yes.